Right guys, so it's Sunday morning. Me and Adam have just come down to Leicester Racecourse to be setting up for the Yiannimize Live event. So we're going to be here all day. We're going to set our stand up, show you how it looks, and then show you around the show.
Right, so me and Harry are now all set up. We've seen some amazing cars coming in already, so let's go. Off-putting.
So there's some other stuff here at the show today, not all about the cars. It's the first time I've ever seen a wrestling ring in the middle of a car show, but I'm here for it and I'm going to show you guys what's happening.
All day. I love that car. That car's got everything. Its power, its looks, its speed, its comfort. Lamborghini Urus without a doubt.
Yianny, my brother from another mother.
Yo, what's happening? How are ya?
I'm gonna have to ask this, Yianny.
Man looking fresh, gold, big jacket, the hair.
Takes one to know one, bro.
The beard. Come on, mate.
What are your thoughts on a McLaren 570 GT?
I'm not a McLaren fan. Get a fire extinguisher. Listen, McLarens, they're very fast. They are good cars. I'm just not a fan. They've come a long way from when they used to break down all the time and catch fire. But I don't like them. I don't like the seating position. I don't like the way the stereo is. I'm not a McLaren fan, but when I race them on CarWow, I enjoy them then, especially the 720S. Hi.
Why did you sell the Ballon White Gallardo?
Because it was years ago. It was like, I sell my cars all the time eventually. I love that car. And I done that post, didn't I? I had the Gallardo and the Range Rover both in Ballon White, and then I had the Revuelta and the Urus both in Ballon White. That was like, that's my biggest liked picture ever, with like 550,000 likes on a picture.
So that's it, show's finished. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Just time to pack up and we'll see you on the next one.